Shwabangin sdang ya kakubor, nakaliang kamikhalia daily, ngikwa ban ay Khublei Khristmas bat Snem Thymmai, basuk bakmen ya baro ki subscribers, bat kinong page yakani ka channel, Khublei ya pi baro.
Dear friends, on this joyous occasion to celebrate the spirit of joy and harmony in the comfort of our near and dear ones, and as we come near to the end of 2023, let us all move ahead with hopefulness. As the story of Jesus teaches us, Christmas can be the start of great things. I hope there are many great things in store for you in the coming year. I wish you peace, love, goodwill, and all the other blessings of Christmas. And I wish you hope as we step into the new year. Have a Merry Christmas and a hope-filled new year.